In this video, I will show you the items that I packed for my vacation to Cancun. Hi guys, my name is Karen Duclosel of Thrifting Atlanta. Thank you for tuning into the channel. If you enjoy content that revolves around thrifting, whether you are wanting to make resale a business, whether you're a fashionista looking for bargains, this is definitely the channel for you. So I am here in Cancun with family on a mini vacation, and I of course had to pack my resort wear items for the trip, and I wanted to show you what I packed. So since we're here technically for 4 days, I made sure that I pack items for like each day, so that way I'm not overpacking and I don't have enough pieces to wear. So the easiest thing for me are some really beautiful, colorful dresses. This one I purchased from Styles by Lachey. It is a caftan, very sheer but colorful piece that I can wear as a cover-up over my bathing suit, or as, you know, just as a dress while I'm here. The next piece that I have is this dress. This one is from the brand Venus. This one I got from City Thrift in Lilburn. Again, really beautiful, colorful piece. I love that it has like this really plunging neckline and it ties around the neck. It is perfect for vacation. The next piece that I have is a romper. This romper I purchased from the Salvation Army. Really colorful, lightweight, easy to wear. Love the print, and it's perfect for vacation. This is a dress. This was actually gifted to me from my mom. I love that it has like that kind of like wrinkle look, so because I hate ironing, so anything that I don't have to iron, I absolutely am attracted to. It has a plunging neckline. I love this kind of crochet detail. The back is open, okay, really open back, and it is long, and does it have pockets? I don't remember. No pockets, but it's still an amazing dress. And then the last piece is another colorful maxi dress. This one I got from the Thrifting diva, Ayana Peterson. We did a swap, and this is the dress that I picked from her closet. That pink and green got me. The brand, this is a Shein, but I will make exception for this beautiful maxi dress. All right, so those are the dresses. And then these are my swimsuits. All of them are thrifted. This one came from Park Avenue Thrift. Beautiful, like animal print, but it's colorful. More like a snakeskin print, but it's colorful. This one, the brand is Kenneth Cole. Kenneth Cole. The next swimsuit is by Coco Reef. This one I got from Goodwill, Stone Mountain. It is a two-piece, polka dots. Loving the little gold at the end of the ties that you kind of, you know, tie on the side. And then this is the top. Which way? This way. Loving this little detail right here in the middle. Polka dots, you can't go wrong. And then the last swimsuit, this one is from the Salvation Army. Snellville location, blue and white stripe, ruffle, cold shoulder, peekaboo in the back. Love, love, love. This cover up was also gifted by my mom. So this can be worn with either of those swimsuits. It has like these polka dots with this navy floral print. And then this one is a black sheer The brand is K2. So this can be worn with either of those swimsuits. This one came from Park Avenue Thrift. For shoes, these Steve Madden strappy flats. I got these in San Diego. I forgot what store. Oh, this came from Mercy Warehouse. I think the Thrifting Diva allowed me to have these because I think she saw them first, but she let me have them. And then my trusty Birkenstock. I also thrifted these from Park Avenue Thrift. They're like that, the rubber kind. So I usually use these for the pool. I wear these by the pool. So those are the pieces that I packed for my trip to Cancun. Let me know which ones are your favorites. And I'll be posting pictures of my looks while I'm here. So see you next time on the next video. Bye.